Welcome to our beginner's guide to Counter-Strike 2. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know. First, let's dive into the game modes. Counter-Strike 2 offers competitive, casual, and several others, each providing a unique gaming experience. Before jumping in, ensure your system meets the requirements. We'll guide you through the installation process. Let's get familiar with the controls. Understanding keyboard and mouse binds is crucial for gameplay. Now, we'll explore the weaponry. Each weapon has unique stats that affect your gameplay. Map knowledge is essential. Recognizing key locations and strategic spots can turn the tide of a match. Teamwork and communication are key to success in Counter-Strike 2. Let's discuss some essential strategies. Next up is economy management. Understanding how to manage in-game currency can vastly improve your performance. Beginners often make several common mistakes. Identifying and avoiding these can help you improve faster. Finally, let's discuss resources for further learning and where to engage with the community. Thanks for watching our beginner's guide to Counter-Strike 2. Don't forget to subscribe and join the community.